Hello my friends, how you all doing? I came across these guys that make really cool clocks, and as you already noticed, I'm very fascinated with clocks and watches. So I went ahead and bought these Nixie clocks. I will put their website over here and also in description. And they also have a YouTube channel called Fast Indicator. I normally don't do unboxing videos, but this one I thought would worth it. Look how nicely they packaged it. This is all the information about Nixie tubes. Here is the card. This is the actual clock right here. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. What else we have here? Looks like it's the cord. And here's the actual clock. Well, let's see how it works. I think this clock is one of the most unique clocks you can find on the internet. What's cool about them that they use Nixie tubes from Soviet Union times. And each tube on the back has a year when it was manufactured. And the working capacity of these tubes are 30 years, which is really impressive. So let's plug it in. I'm gonna turn lights off so you guys can see better. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Wow, look at that. So as you can see, this is hour, minutes, and these are seconds. Like I've said before, this is the most unique clock I've ever seen. There are two buttons on the back that change all kinds of things. I'm gonna play with them right now. So let's see. Ooh, that's really cool. So this one actually turns off the LED. So second button regulates brightness of this blue light, the intensity of the light. Look at that. I can make it really bright or I can turn it off. And this one regulates the intensity of actual numbers, 5 different levels. I still have to figure out how to set the alarm clocks and change the time, but all the instructions are here. Well, thank you for watching this video, I hope you like it, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.